Hello, and welcome to Nisaru Technology. A special welcome to all our subscribers. Thank you for being here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest videos. Let's dive into today's topic. Today you will learn the processes and operations of manufacturing with the supply chain module. First, let us see the benefits of supply chain management. Imagine a company that's expanding rapidly, adding new products and opening more distribution centers to meet demand. With every new addition, the complexity of managing operations also increases. Supply chain management, or SCM, steps in as a game changer, connecting every part of the process and offering streamlined control over production, scheduling, logistics, and quality. At the heart of SCM is a unified manufacturing solution that supports various production strategies. Instead of dealing with separate systems for discrete, lean, and process manufacturing, SCM brings them all together. This unified approach allows the company to operate smoothly, whether they're producing to stock, making items to order, configuring products, or engineering custom solutions. This adaptability means they're always ready to meet customers' needs without missing a beat. Imagine the power of real-time visibility into every resource. With SCM's scheduling capabilities, supported by a unified resource model, the company can see exactly what's available at any given moment. By leveraging the financial management module, they can align scheduling with their resources, making last-minute adjustments easy and efficient. This newfound agility reduces downtime and improves resource utilization, allowing the company to stay responsive to shifts in demand. Then, there's the logistics side of SCM. Managing the flow of raw materials to production lines, monitoring inventory, and organizing distribution. All of this becomes streamlined. SCM's advanced warehouse and logistics management tools create smooth transitions, from the arrival of materials to the distribution of finished products. This ensures orders are filled on time, keeping customers happy and costs under control. Finally, the company can rely on SCM to uphold high standards of quality. Through real-time monitoring and predictive analytics, SCM detects and flags potential quality issues before they become big problems. This proactive approach ensures the company maintains a high-quality product line, preventing costly recalls or disruptions. With SCM, companies are equipped to grow strategically, manage complex operations, and deliver exceptional products. By integrating every part of the process, SCM enables the company to run smarter, respond to challenges faster, and keep customers satisfied. Let us go now into the deep of this lesson. As the world continues to shift to a technology-based society, the manufacturing industry is using a mixture of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data to become more connected. By taking advantage of the latest technology available, manufacturers can create smarter processes and operations, such as Internet of Things and mixed reality, to optimize people, processes, and equipment. Watch our next lesson that details each of the manufacturing methods.